मेरा क्वेश्चन तारा और अनन्या के लिए है, बिकॉज टाइगर के कंपैरेटिवली डांस करना उनके साथ इज़ वेरी टफ. ही इज़ टू गुड, ही इज़ जस्ट टू गुड. तो उनके साथ डांस करना, एडिंग टू दैट क्वेश्चन, तो कितना ज़्यादा टफ था उनके लेवल को थोड़ा मैच कर पाना? वॉज इट टफ फॉर यू? वॉज इट अ प्रेशर?
It's impossible to match Tiger's level. Firstly, he rehearses so much, and even though he's so good, he rehearses so much. So when we're looking at him on set and he's rehearsing, we're just like, what are we doing? Because he's perfect.
And also every take is a perfect take. So if we mess up in the take, it's very stressful.
Yeah, it's very stressful.
But he's very sweet and he never makes us feel like, he's the best.
My student of the year, too! Like, there's got to be something inside you which is like a higher power. Do you think when you dance, what is the one thing that goes on in your mind?
I feel like that's the only time in my life that I connect with my my idol, Michael Jackson.
हम दोनों हंसी तो बसी के बाद बहुत सालों बाद इनकी पिक्चर में आ रहे हैं. इनकी पहली पिक्चर है प्रशांत जी की, जबरिया जोड़ी. और अभी शूटिंग ख़त्म करी हमने. 12 जुलाई को रिलीज़ है. एंड आई थिंक मैंने तो ऐसा रोल पहले नहीं किया. आई थिंक परी के लिए भी ये
नई दुनिया
और रोल है. अलग है, नया रोल, नई दुनिया.
नई दुनिया, नया स्टेट है.
केसरी वाज अ ह्यूज सक्सेस.
Yeah, whether you're coming from a success or whether you're coming from any sort of failure, it doesn't matter, because every film is a new test. Every Friday is a new exam. It doesn't matter who you are, how big a star, small star you are. Every film is a new test because it's all in your hands. You all have to love the film and accept it. So wishing our team all the best, and I hope that we do well with this film.
बस यही उम्मीद रखते हैं कि लोगों को पसंद आए, जैसे हमारा ट्रेलर पसंद आया. उससे ज़्यादा तो मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता.
रैप-अप है आज, रैप-अप पार्टी है, तो आप बताइए कि कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस शूटिंग का, आपका कैसा रहा?
इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि दूसरा गला खोल दूँ.
How does it feel now the film, we are celebrating the completion bash of the film. How does it feel? Your debut film, are you nervous?
सच बोलना.
हाँ, नो इट फील्स ग्रेट. मैंने ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे भी कहा था कि 2.5 साल से जुड़ा हूँ मैं इस प्रोजेक्ट से. तो नाउ दैट इज़ फाइनली कंप्लीटेड और आप सब ने देखा है, एंड द रिस्पॉन्स दैट वी गॉट इन टू द ट्रेलर हैज़ बिन अमेजिंग. तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड, नर्वस थोड़ा हूँ, बट मोर एक्साइटेड देन नर्वस फॉर श्योर.
Sonavi,
from the perspective of the diagnosis, from the perspective of the guidance that you received, do you have any reservations about the quality of care that you received here?
Not at all, but I would say I did go to the US. I went to New York for my treatment. My husband was very clear about it. He said, I don't want to take any chances. And the reason I think I was literally fighting with him. I'm like, my child is young, the home is here, and we're just picking up. And it was literally in 2 days after the diagnosis that we had packed our bags and we had left. And I didn't know when I was coming back, what was happening, where I was going for. It was just the two of us. We had not really had time to discuss it with too many people, and we had just taken off. He had got the appointments and we had just taken off. So I kept fighting with him, saying that, how can you just stop everything? But when I reached there and I got to know the extent of this, somewhere I did honestly feel, thank God I'm here. I think that comes from the fact that there are a lot of things that now in hindsight I look at, and it was probably an instinct, but where he came from and as he explains it to me, he said that, I know we would have got great care here, and touch wood, we have the means to, and the connections to, and the relationships where we could tap on people, but the fact remains that we went to a place where this is what they dealt with. The only disease they dealt with was this. So his logic was that if for so many years they're only dealing with cancer and its various types of cancers, so much so that the place that I went to, the entire building was dedicated to just these type of cancers. That means there has to be something in which, when you're obviously doing it constantly for so many hours, there's definitely going to be more data that's collected, there's going to be more intuition that is going to be there. He said, you were at a stage where I did not want to take a chance on this.